In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on and use Brave VPN on Brave browser. If you've heard about Brave VPN and want to learn where to find it and how it works inside the Brave browser, this tutorial will walk you through the process. Even if you don't currently have a Brave VPN subscription, you can still follow along to see where the feature is located and what you'll need to do to get started. Let's begin by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser has fully loaded, look toward the upper right corner of the window and open the main menu. From there, select Settings to access Brave's configuration page. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section related to VPN or search for VPN using the Settings search bar if it's available. When you open the VPN page, Brave will display information about its built-in VPN service and the benefits it offers, such as enhanced privacy and a more secure browsing experience. If you're like me and don't currently have a Brave VPN subscription, you'll notice that the VPN cannot be activated immediately. Instead, you'll see an option to learn more about the service or subscribe. This is completely normal since Brave VPN requires an active subscription before it can be used. To continue, click the option that allows you to get started with Brave VPN. Brave will guide you through the subscription process and provide details about the available plans. Review the information shown on the screen and follow the prompts if you decide to subscribe. Once a subscription has been activated and your account is properly connected, you'll be able to return to the VPN section in Brave. At that point, a toggle or activation option will become available. Simply turn it on, and Brave will begin establishing a secure VPN connection. After the connection is active, your browsing traffic will be routed through the VPN service, providing an additional layer of privacy while you browse the web. Depending on your version of Brave, you may also have the option to choose a preferred server location. You can always return to the VPN settings page to check the connection status, make adjustments, or turn the VPN off whenever you no longer need it. And that's all there is to it. Even if you don't currently have a Brave VPN subscription, you now know where to find the feature, how the setup process works, and what steps are required to start using it in the future. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.